Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this tutorial, we're going to create this kind of stylized map with its angled edges. And in the end, we are creating this from a raster template, but you can, of course, start with a vector artwork. This is the map. It's a symbol, as you can see here. It's currently also green, and it's a vector artwork. First of all, we are going to release it from the symbols. So I'm going to the symbols panel and then release this. And then you see we have them in green, and having them in black makes this a whole lot easier. Here are some inside shapes. So let's go in here and make this a compound path again. And let's also check out if there are some more. So I'm going into outline view, but there are no more of them. The next thing, we need this as raster artwork. So we're going to object and rasterize it. And 150 ppi is sufficient for this, just like this. And then we need to turn this into little squares. So we're going to object and create an object mosaic. And now I'm going to use a width of 100 tiles. So what you need to do is enter the number here and then use ratio to calculate the corresponding height. When this is done, click on OK, and Illustrator makes those little squares, and there we have them. And the important thing is, when I move this to the side, then you see the raster artwork is below it, but you can also use the function to delete that automatically. These are not just the black squares, we also have white ones and we have gray ones. So we're going to use the magic wand tool. I'm going to double click it, and then you can set up the tolerance. You might need to check out which tolerance value works for you. So I'm just going to do that here and then just hit delete to get rid of them. And I think this works pretty well. So the next thing is we're going to select them all. Those are now the remaining ones. And I'm going to set them all to black. And then also we need to combine them. So we're going to use the Pathfinder panel and just hit unite like this, and then they are united. So the next thing is we need to apply the angle to those corners. So I'm going to switch to the direct selection tool. And now there should be the corner wedges, but there aren't because it's just all too small. So what we can do is go up here, go to the corners and just click on chamfer, and let's just increase that value. And then I'm going to deselect, and you see it has been applied, and here is our stylized map.